everyone, good afternoon. So I just want to flick some of my plants, in my garden, vegetable plants. I have here onions. So ayan, medyo malaki na yung aking onions. I also have here a bell pepper. Ayan, hinog na siya. Okay. So, yan. Ayan, meron din tayong sili. Maraming bunga. May mga hinog na rin. So, ayan. And here. Ayan, daming bunga. At yung papaya kong kasintaas lang ng aking anak na 2 years old. Ayan. May bunga na rin siya. So, ayan. Ayan. Mababa lang siya guys. Ayan o.